and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. A while ago I made this ocean themed piece, and I thought those white lines look more like clouds than waves, and why not make a sunset picture with resin? So this is what I'm attempting here. I start with coloring my piece. This is supposed to be the horizon, and I'm painting my sunset with acrylic paints first before I put any resin on there. So for my horizon, ever since a horizon is a really sharp line, I'm drawing myself this line onto my picture. I'm using now relief paste, and I'm using it because of the raised structure it has. So if I put some resin on top or in front of it, it won't seep into the sunset. This is what I'm trying to achieve with this relief paste. It doesn't have no other sense. And here you see me putting my my horizon down, my water, and I colored the resin with some mica powder, and I'm filling the space up only until the line, and it won't run into my sunset. I let my horizon fully cure, and now I'm going for the sun and the rest of the sky. I will let that run for you because it took me quite a while. I decided to put some gold lines into my sky just to make it a little bit more interesting, and this is what you see me doing here. And that's the first layer of resin. And this is what my picture looks up to now. And I think this is really gorgeous. So, and this is what it looks like with the clouds. After everything was cured, I took an erasable marker and painted myself a palm tree onto the surface of that sunset. And I took an erasable pen because if I would have made some mistakes, I could have just wiped it away. So what I did now is I'm taking black acrylic paint, and I will paint the whole thing, the whole palm tree with black acrylic paint. I'm so sorry for that lighting here in this video. As I mentioned in my last video already, I have a roof window which lets too much sunlight into my studio, and I can't film at all because you won't see nothing. And I will fix this problem as soon as I know how. So here I took my erasable pen and trying to paint some birds onto my sunset, but I really didn't like it. So I just took a Q-tip, put some isopropyl alcohol on there, and just wiped those birds away. Don't take no water, because if the resin isn't cured all the way, you will be having streaks. If you like my video, I would appreciate a thumbs up, a subscription of my channel if you haven't already, maybe a comment, maybe you want to share my video. This would mean a great deal to me, because without you I would be nothing. Yeah, leave me a comment, because I really want to know your opinion to the stuff that I make. I do a final flood coat, not a flood coat, a top coat, to seal my acrylic paint in, and when this is cured, I will show you some pictures of this piece in the sunlight. Bye bye!